Good afternoon, viewers. Today is 1st January 2024. I wish a great year ahead, full of happiness, health, wealth, and peace of mind to each one of you. Let's start today's video. Now it's almost 16:25, 4:25 p.m. How the trades took place today. Okay, so let us see Nifty and Bank Nifty trades. First, let us go on Bank Nifty and uh, let's see Bank Nifty trades today. Okay, so let's go to Bank Nifty, the first 5-minute candle. You could see the timing over here. See, 9:50. Open was 48,200. So the strikes that we considered is 48,200 call and 48,200 put. Now, the only, what should I say, the skill that is required is selection of option prices. It is at most important which option prices are to be selected, and that one learns by practice and uh, some sort of a knowledge. Okay, so today we selected this. You know all what it is. Simple. We exchange the highs and lows. So you could see 48,200 call high was 378.70 and low was 275. So high and low of call, we will draw on put. Now let me change the time frame of put and you will see both the prices. You could see this line 378.70 and 275. Okay. So now 378.70, 275. So the line which is visible on 5-minute chart, that is the lower line. Now let's draw the highs and lows of put on call. So 299.60, 212.70. So you could see this 299.60 and let me change the time frame again and you will see the lower line of 212.70. Okay, once the lines are drawn, we are waiting for upward breakout. Upward breakout means any candle closing above the high of this candle. Now you see candle closing above the high. Then we wait. We have decided this is a mathematical trading. Everything is predetermined where we are going to buy and what will be the target, what will be the stop loss. So our buying was at 299.6. We will place the order wherever the market goes. We will place the order to buy at 299.60. And then the order was executed at 10:20. Now the first question, what is the stop loss? Simple. This particular price closing below the lower line and at the same time the put closing above the upper line, whatever is the upper line, the upper line is this 378. So there is a huge stop loss. No, that is not. Everything cannot be told on video. Okay, very frankly, the stop loss is somewhere in between. A smart guy will know stop loss is the center of these two lines. Call never came below the center, put never went above put never ever came to the lower line. So that is how we bought. And then the levels, the targets are very simple. If you have seen my past video, 26.11 of this. Next will be this line plus 50%. And then the last will be this line plus 73.89. All the targets were hit. Now see the beauty when the first target was hit. Here also. Here the price went below that quite advanced, quite before. Then it sustained below. You see, this touched the first target and the price was hovering on both the sides, up and down, up and down, up and down. But the put was resilient. Put never ever came above the first target. So that means market has to go up. Now I would like to show you one more thing, a beautiful thing today. See, if you will go on yesterday chart, a daily chart we will go on. And this is a daily candle. Then what we need is previous day high and low. So you could see now previous day high and low and just say this. Previous day was Friday 29th. You could see high 48,477.70, low 48,091.85. Now here we do a simple calculation. High minus low, whatever is the difference, we multiply the difference by 0.75. If you had seen my earlier videos, I have clearly mentioned 0.75, 0.45. Let us see a bigger move. So we need 0.75. So the calculation you will see now, just see the highs and lows, 477.70, 91.85. So 471.70 and 477, that's a small mistake. It doesn't make a difference. And this was the low. So this was the difference and multiply over 289, 289.4. And then unless we get a move of 289.4 points today, unless we get a move of 289.4 points today, market will not give a move. Now, how to track this particular move? Whatever is the low, see, the movement should be from low to high. The movement should be from low to high. That's all. Okay, whenever from low to high that movement takes place, you can know it. Now see, this is the this is low of today, 48,152, 48,152, and if you will see 134. Sorry, see this 48,134.90. Sorry, my mistake. So 48,134.90 is the low. From here, you will track the move of this 289. So 289.40 plus 134.90, answer is 48,424.30. You can see this calculation, previous day high minus low, difference multiply by 0.7, and then you add that into today's low and you get 48,424.30. Now I have drawn a level 48,424.30, and you could see precisely the market that went up to that level. It didn't sustain and came down. That is afterwards. This happened at 1420. Let us see before that how the market took place. Now see, we were quite sure market will go upward because the call price was never ever, it came back to the upper line, while put price was not only below the lower line, but it was below the first target. And accordingly, when the movement came, just see here perfectly, this was the top made 1440. You could see the top of 1440 over here. See 1440 candle. That's all. There, everything was to be booked. So you could estimate 299.60. Of course, no one will wait till that. If you are trading in multiple lots, you can gradually go on booking profit. Your last profit will be booked at 521. And then see a sharp move downward. Now a sharp move, could you have predicted it? Yes, because above 0.75 market did not sustain. So probably that could go down, and see while coming down, premium of 48,200 call precisely touch the lower line. See this 21270. See the low 207 precisely. Now you will see one can take a position over here also. How to take, the video will be long. I will explain that sometimes. When this is touching and this is coming down, naturally put is going to go, and put went, you see almost from 92 to 257. The put, so today put give more profit in very fast time. Here it lingered a lot. Same calculation we'll do on Nifty. See, again I have changed the Nifty premium. Today's Nifty open is 727 and close first 5 minutes is 693. So I preferred two different strikes. In Bank Nifty they were one. Here I preferred two. 21,700 call, 21,750 put. System is the same. Exchange the highs and lows. So 145.85, 115 that I will place on call, and highs and lows of call 159.80 and 130 that I will put on put. Now here you could see only the down line because upper line is quite up. You could see over here 159.80. So that line is visible, 159.80, and this is the lower line. Same thing back again, whenever a candle close above the upper line, you could see 146.30 is the close of this, and simultaneously put closes below the lower line. Then we will buy at the line. So the buy would have been executed at 145. Stop loss would have been below 115, but at the same time, put should cross above its upper line. That is why the stop loss never hits. Price comes down. It goes down by many points. But once someone has a faith in the system, it never give you a loss. Okay, now you just see this. Here, your buy was at around 145.85. The price went up to 125. 20 point, if you will keep a short stop loss, believe me, your capital will get wiped off. You cannot trade with such a stop loss. My stop loss was 115.50. It never hit. And then the target were this, and this. Here also, if you will see the same thing, yesterday's high was 21,770. Yesterday's low was 676. Difference was 93. This you could check from your own charts. I use Zerodha. 93.40 multiplied by 0.75. The difference was 70.05. And the low of the day, today's low was 684. Let me show you the low. 684.05. That was the low. See this. You could see it over here. 684.05. Once you add 684.05, then you get into low 21,754.10. And 754.10 is this. And then see the move. It went up. It precisely hit the targets and then came back. This was the target. It came back very sharply. Again, just like Bank Nifty, Nifty also touched the lower line. The lower line was 115.50. It precisely came. See, all through this morning period, it never ever touched. Now that has touched. Okay, world's most simplest, most accurate option buying method. If you want to know more, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and my calling number 91673 54953. I also give very good information on my Telegram channel. The link of the same is shared below. Thank you so much for giving your time watching this video. Have a great year ahead. Bye-bye.